Interesting psychological facts about women, love, and human psychology. Women are generally better at reading nonverbal cues and interpreting body language compared to men. Love activates the same neural pathways in the brain as addiction, making the feeling of being in love highly intense and consuming. Sexual activity can improve immune function, increasing the production of antibodies and overall health. The human brain is capable of generating approximately 23 watts of power when awake, which is enough to power a light bulb. People are more likely to remember negative experiences over positive ones due to the brain's negativity bias, a survival mechanism. Studies suggest that women tend to have a stronger sense of smell than men, which may be linked to evolutionary advantages. The honeymoon phase of a relationship is marked by elevated levels of dopamine, which decrease over time, leading to a more stable but less euphoric connection. Orgasms release endorphins and oxytocin, which can reduce stress and promote feelings of happiness and relaxation. The human body contains about 37.2 trillion cells, each performing a specific function vital for survival. Mirror neurons in the brain allow humans to empathize with others by mirroring their emotions and action. Women often use both hemispheres of their brains for language tasks, whereas men typically use just one. Physical touch, such as hugging and holding hands, releases oxytocin, which enhances bonding and trust between partners. Regular sexual activity is linked to improved cardiovascular health, including lower blood pressure and reduced risk of heart disease. The skin is the largest organ in the human body, with an average adult carrying about 8 pounds and 22 square feet of it. The placebo effect demonstrates the power of the mind in healing, as believing in a treatment can produce real physiological changes. Female brains are known to have more white matter, which connects different parts of the brain, contributing to multitasking abilities. Long-term couples often start to resemble each other physically due to shared environments and mimicry of each other's expressions and behaviors. Sexual satisfaction is closely tied to overall relationship satisfaction, with communication playing a key role. Human bones are about 5 times stronger than steel, of the same density, making them incredibly durable. People tend to conform to group behavior, even if it contradicts their own beliefs, due to social pressure and a desire for acceptance. Women are more likely to remember emotional events better than men, due to a stronger hippocampus and deeper encoding of emotional memories. Being in a loving relationship can positively impact physical health by lowering blood pressure and reducing stress. The brain's pleasure centers light up, more from anticipation of sex than from the act itself, highlighting the power of desire. The average human heart beats about 100,000 times per day, pumping roughly 2,000 gallons of blood. The mirror exposure effect suggests that people develop a preference for things simply because they are familiar with them. During stressful situations, women are more likely to seek social support due to the release of oxytocin, which promotes bonding. People tend to be attracted to others who have a similar level of attractiveness, a phenomenon known as the matching hypothesis. Men and women can experience different types of orgasms, influenced by physical, emotional, and psychological factors. Humans share approximately 60% of their DNA with bananas, highlighting the genetic similarities among all living organisms. Decision fatigue occurs when the quality of decisions deteriorates after making many decisions, leading to impulsive or avoidant choices. Women tend to smile more often than men in social settings, which can be attributed to social conditioning and empathy. The concept of love at first sight is supported by brain chemistry, as seeing someone attractive can cause a rapid release of dopamine. Sexual arousal can diminish the brain's ability to think clearly and make rational decisions. The liver is capable of regenerating itself. As little as 25% of a liver can regrow into a whole liver over time. Humans are more likely to take risks when they feel in control of the situation, a phenomenon known as the illusion of control. Female brains generally shrink during pregnancy, but return to normal size after childbirth, a process linked to hormonal changes. Couples who laugh together frequently are more likely to have a stronger and healthier relationship. Regular sexual activity can improve sleep quality. Due to the release of prolactin, a hormone associated with relaxation, human eyes can distinguish about 10 million different colors, though the perception of color can vary between individuals. The Dunning-Kruger effect explains how people with low ability at a task overestimate their ability, while experts tend to underestimate theirs. Women are more likely to suffer from depression and anxiety, potentially due to both hormonal fluctuations and social factors. Falling in love can suppress appetite due to the high levels of dopamine and norepinephrine, which reduce the sensation of hunger. People who are more sexually active often have higher self-esteem and better mental health. The sense of touch is distributed throughout the body, with fingertips being the most sensitive to pressure and texture. Cognitive dissonance occurs when people experience discomfort from holding conflicting beliefs, leading them to change one of the beliefs to reduce the dissonance. In decision-making, women often take a more collaborative approach, valuing input and consensus. Love can act as a painkiller. Studies show that looking at a picture of a loved one can reduce pain. Perception. Sexual fantasies are a normal part of human sexuality and can enhance sexual satisfaction and intimacy. The average person produces enough saliva in their lifetime to fill 2 swimming pools, playing a crucial role in digestion and oral health. Social loafing is the tendency for individuals to put in less effort when working in a group compared to working alone, due to diffusion of responsibility. If you found this video informative, please take a moment to share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics like this, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Until next time, stay safe and awesome. Thanks for watching.